Hi, this is Vikas from InstaWP. Today I'm going to talk about how to enable MCP in InstaWP dashboard and your InstaWP websites. If you don't know, MCP is a new type of protocol which has been enabled by Anthropic's team and then it has been adopted by other companies as well. MCP allows you to connect your AI tools such as ChatGPT or Claude Desktop or Cursor to anything like a website or a service. In this case, we are using the MCP from InstaWP to connect Claude Desktop, ChatGPT, and other tools to your InstaWP website. Let's get started. So this is a website I'm working on. And if you go to your InstaWP dashboard, you need to come to the site's detail page. There we go. And under that, you will find MCP menu on the left-hand side. Then all you need to do is click on Enable MCP and it will be enabled for you. As simple as that. Now, if I go back to the dashboard and go to the plugins menu, you will see that our MCP plugin has been automatically installed by the server. If you go to settings and Insta MCP menu, you will find that we already have a token and it has been enabled for you. So there is not much in these settings. All you need to do is go back to your InstaWP dashboard, copy the URL. Next step is open Claude Desktop and go to settings. So you will find settings under Claude settings and go to connectors and then click on add custom connector. Then all you need to do is paste your MCP URL and you can just type anything in the site name and click on add. For some reason it is showing again, you can just scan and now it is ready. So if you click on configure, you will see the list of tools which we make available through MCP. So now you can actually manage content. You can manage taxonomies. You can upload media files. You can also edit plugin or theme files, or also you can create new custom plugins. So let me show you some of these in action. So going back to new chat, and I'm just choosing a model which is faster, and I can just say list all posts in the WP site since I have only one. If I had multiple, you can just name the site from where you want to fetch it. So now it is trying to call the tool remotely and get the content for all the posts, and by default it is going to get 100 posts. So you can say allow once or always allow. In this case, this is a very safe operation. I can say always allow. You can actually manage this in Claude Desktop now. So the place where we added the custom connector, click on configure, and then you can actually pre-approve these operations before you actually start working on them. So now we can see we have a new post. I can take a new post on the topic of language to make it like really fast. And it is going to go ahead and create a new post. As you can see, it is going to call another tool to create the post, and I can say always allow, and it is going to create the content for me. All right, that's done. And if I open this up, I should be able to see my new content being developed. All right, so you can also say, can you create a sample plugin? Very minimal, just for demo. And it will create a sample plugin for you. As you can see, it is trying to create a new plugin, and let's just allow that. And I can also say to enable it, can you enable it and use it? So you can see the flexibility so it is going to now activate the plugin. By the way, you can search plugins from the repo And the next step for this is now the plugin is activated and it is adding a short code in a post to demonstrate the plugin. So everything, I have not touched WordPress at all. Everything is being managed by Claude Desktop. Now let's again go back to settings, Insta MCP. And here you can actually generate new token and assign it to a particular user. If the user has, say, editor permission or author permission, the token will only have that much access. So let's try to do that. And you can also do an expiry. So here we have got a new URL. Just copy that. And now if you can go to your ChatGPT and go to the settings. Here you need to go to apps and connectors and go down, click on advanced settings and enable developer mode. I do not really like ChatGPT's way of implementing MCP so far, but I hope they will improve it. So when you click on new connector, paste the URL and say stately WP site, and you can just copy paste and you can assign an icon. In authentication, you have to say no authentication because we are already using token based authentication, and check this box and click on create. All right, so our connector is added. Now you can close this off and say list post from WP site, and it will try to list that for you. All right, so it is now trying to confirm the action, and we have allowed the action. You can actually click on that and see what it actually called. And now we can see all the posts. So whatever I try to do in Claude Desktop, you can do the same with ChatGPT or any other AI MCP clients like Cursor or any other tool of your choice. I hope this video was helpful. And if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.